Dokmee ECM has a unique way of organizing your documents in folder format. Unlike what we are used to with Windows, where users need to create folders and subfolders to organize their information, Dokmee ECM works in an intelligent manner and uses the value of the index fields themselves to present your documents in folder formats. When creating a cabinet, the user determines which index fields will be part of it according to the type of document to be stored. Let's look at this example of a cabinet where human resources files will be stored. In this example, the created indexes are employee name, date of birth, contract type, location, and identification, among other relevant data. When entering a document into the system, the index fields must be filled out, and the results can then be presented in folder format. When modifying an index value, keep in mind that a new folder will be created. Need a new folder level? No problem. Administrators can add as many tags as necessary to organize your files. Contact Dokmee today to learn more.